Amid vows of fair probe, blame game and the politics over the Kolkata student rape horror rages. But amid this, the victim awaits justice, and now the probe has revealed that the attack was premeditated and also planned out by the accused, who have a history of sexual assault. India Today gets us this report.
We want justice. We demand justice. We demand justice. We deserve justice. We deserve justice. We want justice.
The shocking assault and rape of a student inside a government law college in Kolkata has left the nation shocked and enraged. Now the 9-member SIT probe has revealed chilling details of the assault. Police sources claim the survivor was allegedly targeted by the 3 suspects from the day of admission and plotted to assault her. The accused, Manojit Mishra, Pratim Mukherjee and Zaid Ahmed, have a history of sexually harassing female students. They allegedly recorded their attacks on mobile phones and used them to blackmail their victims. The police are now stepping up efforts to collect the evidence. They have carried out searches at the residences of Pratim Mukherjee and Zaid Ahmed in an attempt to locate the videos. The police suspect the videos have been shared with others. The investigators have seized key evidence, including CCTV of the survivor being dragged to the guard room, accused Manojit Mishra's clothes, hair strands and DNA samples that she fought against a rapist, the hockey stick used in the attack and her medical report.
The police has done or taken steps, everything on time. Those 3 guys have been nabbed and investigation is on. The victim statements have been taken. The mobiles have been seized. There is a 9-member SIT team which has been formed. So there is no escape.
The National Commission for Women has raised concerns over the investigation and claims their members were denied access to the survivor and the crime scene.
क्राइम सीन तो एक कमरा है जहां पर उसकी लड़की की गैंग रेप हुई। उसके साथ साथ वो जगह में आसपास में एक कॉलेज है, इंस्टीट्यूशन है, बहुत सारी जगह है, बहुत कमरा है, स्टेयर्स में ऊपर में 7 स्टोरी बिल्डिंग है, सारे के सारे एक्सेस अंडर लॉक एंड की। अब कहीं नहीं जा सके, आप केवल यहाँ आए और इतना तक आए, उतना ही एक्सेस दी और सबको बुला गया कि कमीशन आई थी, देख के गई। तो ये ठीक नहीं है। सारे बंद करके क्या फायदा है, क्या छुपाना चाहते हैं, आई डोंट नो।
As the investigation continues, the question remains, is India failing to protect its women? With Indrajit Kundu in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.